expanding blockchain applications. So as we say, some applications for blockchain with regards to identity are already there in the system. So there are various organizations such as the likes of IBM, the likes of DIF, the likes of Civic. They have already started working, or they already have the kind of products for the digital identity using the blockchain technology. So your blockchain technology can potentially eliminate the needs for the intermediary and allow people to take total control over their digital identities. And as we say, blockchain protected identities, in that information about a person can be written into a blockchain using the small transactions to complete an unalterable history of what has happened and when it has happened. So there are various organizations who have tried creating these digital identity for storing the data, and IBM being one of the pioneers in this area and space. So now let's try to see how blockchain can work in the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is basically a concept wherein you have different agents who can carry out the tasks, and then uh, they should be able to execute the task if these are repeated in nature. So there are mainly two types of AIs. One is a weak AI and second is a strong AI. So in case of a weak AI, we basically refer it as a narrow artificial intelligence, which can be used for your day-to-day work. And the real-time use cases of narrow AI as we currently see is the examples of Cortana and Siri or Alexas of the world. So they are the examples of the weak AIs wherein these voice control assistants can help you to carry out some of those tasks. So they help you to make sure that these tasks are enabled easily for the humans. So that's an example of the weak AI. The examples of the strong AI and we call the strong AI as general AI as well. So they are the use cases where you use the artificial intelligence for ensuring for ensuring and performing any kind of intellectual tasks that a human might find it tough to do, right? So the examples of strong AI are the likes of self-driving cars, the likes of autonomous cars, the likes of smart cars, and some of the other examples are related to the machine learning algorithms, which can help you to carry out the other sophisticated kind of tasks. So blockchain technology along with the artificial intelligence can enable you to store the data in an immutable manner, and then your likes of artificial intelligence helps you to make sure that the tasks are enabled with the likes of bots in a much effective manner. So now let's try to see the importance of Internet of Thing and how Internet of Thing can be enabled together with the likes of blockchain technology. So if you see Internet of the Thing system, so Internet of the Thing system basically acts as an enabler for the users to attain the deeper analysis, automation, and integrations in a system. So these systems basically helps you to enhance the reach of these areas and their accuracy. So Internet of the Things can be as small as the sensors in various kind of machines, and they can be even more sophisticated as well. So as we call, IoT basically utilizes the emerging and the existing technology for networking, for sensing, and for robotics. And the IoT can also use the recent advances in the software because of the falling prices of hardware and the modern attitudes towards your technology. Since the hardware prices has drastically reduced in last few years, the overall prices for the IoT devices has also reduced and the overall demand has improved multifold. So the advanced and the new elements which brings the significant changes in the kind of distribution of goods, products and services and the overall economic, social, and political effect of those changes have also impacted us in a positive manner. So that's an impact of Internet of Things in a nutshell. So as we try to look into the deeper features of IoT, the Internet of Things helps you to provide the most essential features, which includes the likes of sensors, which includes the likes of connectivity, which includes the likes of active engagement, which includes the likes of usage of smaller devices. So with the likes of IoT enabled features, you can have the better connectivity through the sensors with the AI enabled capabilities built in those IoT devices, and it results into having the active engagement with the help of a smaller devices. So these are the key features which we can think of by building a AI enabled IoT devices. So now we will discuss about the blockchain along with the Internet of Things. So how blockchain and IoT can work in agreement or in association. So IoT, as we call, refers to all the connected devices on the internet. So internet can have multiple set of devices, and with the likes of IoT, with the likes of these connected devices on internet, we can access these devices from any place, anywhere. So that's what we call that as an Internet of Things. So all these devices which are connected and can be accessed from any place, they are resulting into the fourth industrial revolution, and as we call them as an IoTs. So now the blockchain technology and these distributed ledger, they offer a new solution to secure the data from these devices. So when these devices the data get moved and transferred across, so you can use blockchain and distributed ledger technology for helping you to store those data, so they can be used to allow the smart connected devices to buy and sell items autonomously. And the blockchain technology does this by creating a secure means of directly authenticating your IoT devices without a certification body. So it is the same model which is used in your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to authenticate your users and allowing them to transfer the value between different accounts. So as we say, the IoT along with the usage of blockchain can be a game changer. So the number of devices which are connected to the internet, including the kinds of machines, sensors, camera, that make up the whole of the Internet of Things. Absolutely, these devices volumes are growing. The kind of devices previously which were hardly in few billions, they will be close to 41.6 billion connected device in by 2025, and they would start generating almost zettabytes of storage or data. So they will generate almost 80 zettabytes of data by 2025. So IoT along with the blockchain can help you to secure the data which is transferred, and you can use these two technology to get a mutual benefit from each other. So now what are the decentralized marketplaces and the exchanges which can facilitate it, which can be facilitated by blockchain technology? So as we see, there are various open bazaars, there are various module trades, there are various fund requests which can be which are used in open markets. So blockchain can be used for them. So a peer-to-peer platform that basically can allow the buyers and sellers to interact directly without the involvement of third parties. So blockchain can be one of those platform, and it can help the buyers and the sellers to talk without the need for any intermediary in place. So there is no need for the central control. The data is spread across many devices through the likes of blockchain technology. As a buyer, if you are trying to build a blockchain based marketplace, if you're trying to build a blockchain based a decentralized marketplace, as a buyer, you don't have to worry about your credit card details being stolen or receiving any kind of unexpected monthly charges. As a seller, you don't have to worry about the fraud from the stolen credit card or the chargeback from the customer. So your blockchain technology enables that kind of security to ensure that you as a buyer or a seller is protected in terms of the rights which you have.